In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink text here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and first off, we want to find the text which we want to hyperlink. Now, for this example, we're going to click on Learn More. Then we want to come to the three dots just here, and then we can click on Link. So right here is where we can enter the link of the destination that where we want the text to go to. So for this example, I'm just going to put my YouTube channel, just like that. Then from here, all I have to do is click on Done, and now this text just here has been hyperlinked to my YouTube channel, as we can see the link just here. Now, if we just make this like that to make it fit better, there we go. Now, if we download this as a PDF, so if we come to Download, PDF, and then let's just click Download, just like that, we can now see that the Learn More is in fact now clickable because we've turned it into a hyperlink. Now, at any point we want to change the hyperlink, we can simply click onto the text, come to this little pen icon and click on Edit Link. And then we can change the link and then click Done. Now, if we want to delete this, we can also click back onto the text, click onto Edit Link, and then we can delete just here. So if we click there, we're going to click on Remove, and now that has been removed. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to hyperlink text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.